This is a 2016 Toyota Sienna. This minivan has an automatic transmission and a V6. All of the following features are included: traction control and stability control systems, a low tire pressure indicator, an anti-lock braking system, dusk sensing headlights, third row seats, and daytime running headlights. We hope you found this video informative. Please contact us today.
We are in the center of Northridge, just across the street from the Northridge Fashion Center, and we look forward to assisting you every day.